everyone, welcome back to a video from ConversationWay. It's Hass here, normally with the Ford Focus, but the other half has a Peugeot 206. As you can see here, we're going to be doing some stuff with the wing mirror, and I've actually been looking on YouTube for a couple of videos to actually explain how to remove this little bit on top, just in case there was anything in particular underneath which could be kind of locked in some way, and maybe you'd have to actually remove this off to, I don't know, in some way kind of remove the whole mirror and actually take it off. But anyway, things were running through my mind, so I didn't want to kind of touch it until I absolutely knew how to take it off. Anyway, found it somewhere on the web, and thought I'd basically just do a really short video, really easy one, about just literally all you need to do is get one of those little orange useful car tools. Can't quite remember the name of it exactly right now, and then essentially it's just basically just a case of just picking off underneath there, and then they literally will just pop up. Now this is the one I did earlier. So this is essentially how it looks, and as you can see from underneath now, that is the clips, just bits underneath there which you just pop up, and then you can just remove that. Reason I'm doing this bit today is actually it needs a little bit of a respray. I'll bring up a picture for you to see how it looked before I've painted it and then as it's been painted, and I'll show you when it's on the car as well. Okay, so the new wing mirror painted, or cap I should say, is painted. I'm 90% happy with how that paint's turned out. Just typical stuff from Halfords, literally stuff you can just pick up off the shelf. Nothing crazy good about that. But yeah, that's worked out. Little cheap job. Worked out alright, to be honest. Especially better than it was beforehand, so yeah, happy with that one. If you'd like to see some more car content and you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.